This is the all-new Zeekr 009 electric luxury minivan with prices starting from $69,000. The new car was designed in Sweden under the guidance of a former Audi designer. Interesting design features include the large illuminated front metal grille, slim daytime running lights, full-width LED taillights, a small moonroof and a panoramic glass roof above the rear seat passengers, and a small rear spoiler. The minivan rides on 20-inch wheels and features large sliding doors. Inside, there are 6 individual seats arranged in 3 rows. Besides the large infotainment touchscreen and the digital instrument cluster on the dashboard, there is an optional 15.6-inch fold-down screen on the ceiling for the rear passengers. The luxury feeling is enhanced by many elements like the Nappa leather upholstery, the fold-out tables, the internal communication system with microphones for the second and third rows, touch-sensitive controls integrated into the sliding doors, and the powerful Yamaha audio system. The minivan also gets the latest safety tech thanks to Geely's collaboration with the autonomous driving specialist Mobileye. It is powered by 2 electric motors offering all-wheel drive and producing a combined output of 544 horsepower. This setup allows the minivan to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.5 seconds. The battery pack has a capacity of 140 kWh, which is good for an electric range of 822 km. Guys, if you like the new car, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.